What up with y'all, man? This is Wills with Golden Child Graphics coming with another video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We growing day by day. It's really dope, to see everybody on the channel. Hey man, we just going up. So today I want to get into Etsy. Man. I've been on Etsy for a couple years, selling templates and flyers and stuff like that, trying to redirect the focus of graphics. Like my background, I've been doing a lot of artist work in the music industry and work with a lot of artists and club promoters and different situations like that. So I definitely just wanted to pivot my career and take my talents to Etsy, man. So this video, I do want to show you how to put your whole store on sale. If you check out, I'm looking up flyer templates. If you look up flyer templates, you'll see right here, 50% off of the original price, and they've sold 11,000 flyers, through Canva. I gotta learn Canva. I gotta be honest, I am not a Canva advocate. Take it to Photoshop, man. I sell Photoshop templates, so we gotta know that first of all. But yeah, man, if you want to figure out how to get your Etsy store like this, and you just want to put your whole store on sale for 50% off, this is what I'm showing you right here, man. So we're gonna go to Shop Manager. And we'll go to Marketing. Then you're gonna go to Sales and Discounts. Then you're gonna say Run a Sale. The percentage off, you could select the discount type that you're doing, and the easiest way will be the percentage off. So we're saying we want 25% off the whole store. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do 30% off of the whole store. This offer is valid everywhere. Sale duration, I'm gonna start today. You see it's kind of highlighted already. It's bold. 13th is today. So boom. I'm gonna click that. And then we're gonna run it. I wanna run it for a week. Terms and conditions, I'm a simple guy. This sale name, let's call this YouTube sauce. Hold on. Boom. Hit continue. You could select the listings that you wanted to be on. Coming up here, you can select the listings that you want to be on, or you can do the whole store, whole entire store. So I'm gonna do my whole store for 30% off. Review and confirm. Make sure everything looks good, great. Confirm, create the sale. Your sale is live. So I'm gonna copy my link. Boom. Yeah, man. So everything is 30% off right now. So you can check out my store. Labor Day coming up. You might need a Labor Day flyer. I don't want to really sell you anything. Definitely come check out my store. I'll put the link in the description. But I got a couple different options. Everything 30% off, man. But that is how you put everything on sale on your Etsy store. It's something I recently figured out how to do, and I'll be using it as I'm on my Etsy journey. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Etsy. I got a couple other links in the description. You can follow me there too. You can follow the Instagram. And just stay tapped in with what I got going on, man. It's a lot of great things coming to this store. Shout out to Etsy and what they have done so far. It's an amazing program for graphic designers, man, and DIY people. And if you make something custom for anybody, this is the platform you need to be on, man. But that's how you make your store on sale. That's how you put the whole store on sale. I just walked you through it. Again, man, hit the links, check out my store, and I'll see y'all on the next video, alright? Holla.